These are the elevators at Nassau and Suffok Hall. Oh, what the? This is cursed as hell. The hell is? Oof. It's wow. No comment on this. It's a Dover Impulse mod. At least that's what I assume it is. I guess it's a new indicator. I'll send you up to 6 and we'll get the other one. Still got his Dover equipment and the indicators. Oh, det betyder vad det finns. For SSL, this really clicks in. That was probably the old fire switch. Oh, there's more elevators over there. So there's 3 banks we could check out. Yeah, we're getting this one. Maybe this one's coming down too, so we'll see which one we get. Yeah, it's still on its Dover blood, but it just got like a slap on. A very strange slap on. Also down. Yeah, cap. This is really cursed. There it is. What the hell? That was weird. You shot the camera. This one runs a lot worse. It's like a stole god. That was. The cable on this one's the same. It looks like this one had a camera. The other one didn't actually have one. EPCO SSL on the inside. That's so weird. Like it kept it. Like it still has the chimes and everything. That fan sucks. So you don't have floor passing time? That is a floor passing chime. Wait. Look at the 3. Yeah, that's a 4 pass. It doesn't do it sometimes. It's weird. It's got 29 3 bells. That's it.